Hello everyone, let's look at the two-sum problem. The statement is, given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indexes of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Basically, we want to find two numbers, a and b, a plus b equals target, then we return the indexes of a and b. Other considerations, exactly one solution for the input array, cannot use the same element twice, return the answer in any order. One example is, if the input array is 2, 7, 11, 15, target is 9. The output is 0 and 1, because 2 plus 7 is 9. Looking at this problem, one very straightforward solution would be, we can loop through the input array twice, and we can find those two numbers adding up to be target. For the second time loop through, we want the starting index to be I plus 1. This is because we cannot use the same element twice, so we want the second loop starting from the next element in the array. If we find these two numbers adding up to be target, we can simply return the indexes of these two numbers. Let's submit. We pass this. Let's look at the complexity of this solution. So for space, it's constant, but for time, it's O of n squared. This is because we loop over the array twice. If the length of the array doubles, the time consumption of this solution squares, which is obviously not a good sign. The key problem here is when we want to find the second value, we need to loop through the rest of the array. So if there's a way we can reduce this lookup time, it will be a better solution for us. Let's look at the second solution. We want to use a key value pair to save index and value. This means when we want to find a value, we just need to check if the value is in the map. The time consumption is constant. This will reduce the time complexity from O of n down to constant. We only need to iterate through the array once. If the value, the y value, is in the map, then we can just return the index. If not, we just save the value and index into the map. And we deliberately save the value as key and the index as value. This is because when we try to find this temp value, we can get it out from the map. Let's submit. Okay, we pass it. When we look at the complexity again, for space, this time it's O of n. Because we claim this map, The size of this map will increase once the input array increases. So by this time, for the time complexity, it's also O of n, because we only need to loop through the input array once, and then we can get both two values out. Thank you for watching.